Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro 25H2 for Windows. Open your favorite browser. Here search for VMware Workstation 25H2 download. Hit enter. Scroll down. Find this website broadcom.com. Open this link. Here enter your email address and also write this letter. Next. Now open your email address. You get one code from broadcom.com. Copy this code and come back here, paste here, click on verify, then complete your registration. When you complete your registration, come to login. Here enter your email address. Next, enter your password, sign in. Here come to my download. Click on a free software download available. Click on here. Here scroll down or search here VMware Workstation Pro. This version is free for personal use. Select VMware Workstation Pro. Guys, please like the video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content like this. Here we have VMware Workstation for different operating system like Windows or Linux. We want to install on Windows or we want to download for Windows. Select Windows. Here we have 25H2. Select. Now the download button is not active. Here click term and condition. When you click on term and condition, come back. Now you can check I agree. After that, click in this button, in this download button. Prepare to downloading. Okay, yes. Here you need to complete this form, then click on submit. Now click on download. It is start. When it is finished, come to download. Double click on VMware Workstation. Click on yes. Next. Accept. Next. 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 Install. It will take a few moments. Please wait. It is finished. Finish. Let us open it. VMware Workstation Pro. Now here we have VMware Workstation Pro 25H2. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. In the next video we will install something here. Have a good time.